Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from TD Bank to CIBC Bank. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, first of all, open up your browser, type in tdbank.com and get into the official website. Now as soon as you've done that, this is how the interface gonna look like. Make sure you're logged in. Now, right afterwards, you have logged in successfully. You're gonna be here in this kind of intersection under the My Accounts, where you will find this highlighted section of Interac e-transfer, which is the method through you're gonna send money to. Go ahead, choose the send money section. As soon as you do that, you will have this kind of a form on your right side of the screen. Go ahead, put in the information of your sender right over here, your account, choose an account, add in the amount they would like to send. Now go to the recipient section, select the recipient, add in the message if there is an optional. If there is already an existing account, you can add. If there is none, you can add new by tapping on this new add new as well. Now once you have done that, you can simply add in their email address and mobile number and save that as well for the next time. Then once you added all the information, at the bottom you will find this kind of interface which shows request money and send money at the right section as highlighted. Go ahead, tap on the send money and the money will be sent, and that is it. So that's basically how you will be able to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.